everyone, my name is Arturia, also known as the Coily Academic. I'm a blurred with the love for beauty. So welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Croc unboxing, free and easy, collaborated with Crocs to do a limited edition drop, which I have right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it, tell you guys everything about the price, how they feel on feet and sizing. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to open this bad boy up. Okay, so before I get started, just some brief background on this drop. So they dropped on August 24th. You had to get in a virtual line like always, and you were put in a random spot in line, and then you had 10 minutes to place your order once you were selected. That's the typical procedure for any of the limited edition collaboration drops. But I just want to let you know like the general process and when they dropped. They dropped again on August 24th. And as of now, they are sold out. Like the last time, if they're available on StockX, then I will link it down below. I'll try the GOAT, Mercari, or StockX. I'm going to try all three of those, and anything that I find I'll put in the description box down below. Now these were $69.99. They usually cost more on those websites, so just be aware of that. So on to the unboxing. So this is what the bag looks like straight out of the packaging. It just says free and easy all over it with the Crocs logo. Free and Easy is a clothing brand based out of California, I believe. But anyway, this is what the bag looks like. And the sticker right here just says Free and Easy times Crocs, Classic Clog, Multi, Roomy Fit, Unisex, Men's 7, Women's 9. I just got my usual size. We'll see how they fit. But anyway, let's open it up. So as usual, it comes on a hanger. And again, the hanger just says Men's 7, Women's 9. I'm just going to take it off. Okay, so let's just show the Crocs. So first, we're going to start with the left foot. So these are the gibbets. It says don't trip, a rainbow, a rose, the earth, and relax. As you can see, the upper of the Croc is this ombre effect that starts at yellow and goes to orange. And in the back is blue. The strap is white. And the detail is the Free Easy logo. This is the other side. And then the right foot has this kind of rainbow thing again. 2 dice, Free and Easy, and a sun. And again, it has that ombre effect where it starts at yellow and goes to orange, and then has blue in the back. So here they are in relaxed mode. They look super duper cute and unique. The ombre is a very unique touch. So now I'm just gonna try them on for you and let you know the sizing and all of that. I will, as always, show a close-up of them on feet. But this is just my general impression with them on. Let's put them on. They are super comfortable as always. They fit just like a classic clog, so get your normal size. Like I said on the bag, they did say roomy fit, and they are kind of wide. They're not as narrow as some Crocs are. But overall they fit really well, and they are super cute. Let me just take them off. So yeah, those are the free and easy Crocs. I'm super excited to add them to my collection. I think they're super simple, but they're super cute. They're like the perfect end of summer Croc. And I love the gibbets. They're so cute. So yeah, that concludes my unboxing slash try on. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what Crocs you want me to review next, and I will gladly do that for you. Again, I love Crocs. I wear them like 99% of the time anyway, so I'm always on the hunt for unique, one-of-a-kind Crocs. So yeah, please comment down below what Crocs you want me to review next, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!